the dua which is recited throughout the last 10 nights of Ramadan, can that be recited outside Ramadan?
The dua cannot be recited in any except in the last 15th day of Ramadan, last 15 days. Apart from that, witr or the first days of Ramadan, the qunut al-witr has to be as the dua he taught it to Al-Hasan. Allahumma hdini fi man hadayt wa afini fi man afayt wa tawallani fi man tawallayt wa barik li fi ma a'tayt wa qini sharra ma qadayt innaka taqdi wa la yuqda alayk wa innahu la yadhillu man walayt wa la ya'izzu man adayt tabarakta rabbana wa ta'alayt la manja wa la malja minka illa ilayk. This is the dua and that's it. But after the 15th of Ramadan, company is to add calling Allah Azza wa Jal on to the kuffar and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to destroy the enemies of Allah Azza wa Jal and to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for victory and so on and so forth. That is after the 15th.
Sheikh, the last 10 nights of Ramadan, I think is about the Laylatul Qadr. That particular dua, can it be recited outside Ramadan?
That's a different question from this first one.
Recited throughout the last 10 nights. It's specified. So I think that is...
I'm just saying, basically, Ikhwani, and I said, whether this or that, I said, and I'm repeating what I say, Du'a Qunut al-Witr, which is called Du'a Qunut al-Witr, this is, cannot be exceeded what I have said, except in the last 15 days of Ramadan. Regarding what dua, Allahumma innaka afuwwun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni, or Allahumma ighfir lana min ta'atika ma tuballighuna bihi, so on and so forth, wa min khashyatika, that all these du'as, it cannot be said in any Qunut al-Witr except in the last 15 days of Ramadan. Now.